Let me ask you something. So why did you decide to use that name, African lover?
Okay, that's a great question of you. So African lover originated because actually maybe some are questioning why I use the African lover. So African lover originated when I had a relationship with an African guy. Yeah. So this page is our page before. This page already, I think,
So
coming 2 years.
You actually want to say the darker, the better. Is that
What?
The darker.
What DACA?
No.
Meaning,
The
the
blacker.
meaning.
Yeah, the blacker. The
I
better.
the black, yeah.
Yeah, the blacker. The better.
And yeah,
Really?
once you go black, you can never go back.
Once you go black,
You can never go back. Okay guys, so so now guys, this page is our page before, but unluckily we are not good together. I will not mention more. So this page originated when I had 1 year 3 months boyfriend, black African, yeah. So
No, you don't need to go much. Right?
yeah. And from this African lover, guys, not only that one, because all of my viewers are all Africans. But I did not wish that all Africans, suddenly, all Africans viewing my live, liking my videos. And I'm so happy with that. And I'm also enjoying the vibes of Africans. Really. The spirit of the Africans is, it's like, for me, it's a good vibes. Really. Because before I'm living with African people, different nationality actually, Ugandan, Kenya, Nigerian, Ghana, Cameroon. Yeah, I'm living with them, and you know, I'm happy bonding with them whenever we are cooking. I'm tasting all the food they are cooking also. So I had a great time with African people, guys.
You actually like food. I know you're food.
Yeah,
You like food.
yeah, I like the foods of African also. And you know, the great thing when I have been the part of African culture, I will just tell African culture, it changed me a lot.
So you're rocking your African.
Yeah, this,
African brand.
by the way, this African dress was sent to me by a Nigerian friend from Lagos. Yeah, and together with my friend on my birthday. So he's also my friend in TikTok and live viewer. Yeah, so this from